Hey guys, it's Gary Wong from GaryWongRealty.com, and today I'm here with Jordan Thompson again. She's from Citywide Mortgages, and today I'm talking to her about rate hunting and clients that go to mortgage brokers and just talk about the lowest rate. So Jordan, what's your experience with clients who just come to you and ask, what's the lowest rate? Give me the lowest rate.
Okay, so first of all, when you're looking for a home or an investment property, the first thing you tend to think about is, well, I want a mortgage with the lowest rate. When I talk to a client, when they first call me, I try not to initially talk about the rate.
Yeah.
The first thing that I want to understand is the situation of the client, what their needs are, what their goals are, because the most important thing is actually finding a mortgage that fits those needs and has the benefits that over the longer term of that mortgage is going to cost them less. So
I get clients who call me and like, oh, Gary, get me the best deal. On what? Oh, I want to help me look for an investment property. I want a great deal. Well, what is a great deal? So I have to really analyze their needs in order to see what suits that particular client. And I guess the same with mortgages, right? You just call them, they're like, I want the lowest rate. Well, the lowest rate might not be the best for you.
That's right. That's right. Different lenders have different mortgages that have different features. And first you want to make sure that the features are a right fit.
Yeah.
The rate is so low right now. Most of the rates are basically the same. But it's the features that are going to be the most important thing over the term of that mortgage. An example is you get the lowest rate, bargain basement rate, also known kind of as a no-frills mortgage.
Okay,
And
no frills?
No-frills mortgage.
Meaning?
It has absolutely no frills, no prepayment options. So let's say you want to refinance your mortgage halfway through the term.
And that happens if they want to buy a new place or something like that?
Yeah, exactly. Or you want a little bit of extra money, or you want to change lenders. Sometimes when you get that bargain basement rate, you're going to find that you are totally locked into that mortgage, or the prepayment penalty is so high that you've actually totally outpaid what you would have paid in having a slightly higher interest rate. And so many people, I've heard, it's 3 out of 5 people actually do something with their mortgage in their 5-year term, which is the most common term.
So what I hear you saying is that some lenders try to lure in clients through the front end with a low rate, only to gouge them later with high fees and hidden costs on the back end.
Absolutely. Right? And the biggest one, or one of the biggest ones being the prepayment penalties.
Yeah.
So when you have that low rate, that no frills rate, it means you don't have any other bells and whistles.
Yeah.
And sometimes, a lot of times, clients, when they come in, there might be something that isn't just perfect about their application.
Yeah.
And so, they might need a lender that addresses some of those issues. It could be poor credit.
Or they have a student loan, or they have a car loan.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you really want to find the mortgage that has the features that fit your needs the best. Another really important one is a lot of people don't really want to be saddled with a 25-year mortgage on their home. And so they want the ability to pay down their mortgage more quickly. Now there are definitely some ways to do that. Some lenders have wonderful prepayment options where you can double up payments, you can increase your payments every year, you can make lump sum payments, and you get the
Are those ones have higher? Do those ones have higher rates though?
No, they're still the wonderful rates, but they're not the
absolute.
They're not the absolute. We'll get you in. It's lowest possible rate. Come in, and it tends to be that you don't actually that with those no frills mortgages, you don't have the luxury or the frill of being able to make those lump sum payments or whatever. And a lot of people want to do that. And a lot of my clients that do come to me, I can see that they have a history of saving and putting money away, and that's definitely an option that they want to be able to take advantage of. So the rates are all very low, but you know, yes, if you're gonna get lured in at that rate special, just understand that that rate special is only if it might be a quick close, meaning you need to close your sale, that Gary would do, for example, in 30 days. And it has to be with 20% down payment. And it has to be owner occupied. And it has to be this. So it has a lot of stipulations. A lot of stipulations.
But then usually
sometimes, not for everybody.
Sometimes like the, you know, like they get sucked in by the rate, and then they just sign on the dotted line without really understanding the terms and conditions.
Well, absolutely.
Right? So what would you recommend for the average buyer who wants to be more cautious and to understand more?
Well, I definitely think that in that case you want to you know, find out a mortgage broker recommendation and speak to them and actually discuss what you need and what your financial goals are, and they should be able to give you some options, as well as obviously the rates. But when you do go in, it's definitely better to, you know, discuss the whole picture. And then the mortgage broker can shop the lenders for you and find the right mortgage with the right features that fits you best. And they will still do that at the lowest rate possible for you. You're still going to get a great rate. No mortgage broker is going to say, oh, well, I'm going to find you a mortgage with the highest absolute possible rate. But, you know, we are looking and working on your behalf for the best mortgage at the best rate.
And one of the great things I like about Jordan is that she consults with her clients and looks into their needs, and not just short-term needs, but long-term needs.
Absolutely.
You definitely analyze what's their long-term goals, their long-term real estate portfolio, and that way, she's not in it for a one-time client. She wants the client to be a lifelong client.
Absolutely.
So that's been, you know, one of the things I admire about your business.
Thank you, Gary.
So that's it for today. Short little video. Hope you found that valuable. Once again, it's Jordan Thompson at Citywide Mortgages. The contact information is below. And it's Gary Wong from GaryWongRealty.com. Subscribe, comment below. Until next time, God bless.
Thanks for watching.